Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about operators in Python. So in Python programming, the operator is a symbol that performs a certain operation between two operands, values or variables. In any particular programming language, operators serve as the foundation upon which the logic is constructed in a program. So we can say that the Python operators are the constructs which can manipulate the values of operand. Now, let's talk about the different type of Python operators. So Python programming language supports six following type of Python operators that is mentioned over here, and throughout this video we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operators, but for the next another 5 videos we would be discussing about these 5 operators with their example one by one. So let's talk about the arithmetic operator. Okay. So arithmetic operators are used with the numeric values to perform mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So any arithmetic operator between two or more than two operands can only be carried out by using the arithmetic operators. And over here, I have mentioned 7 different arithmetic operators in Python. So the first operator is addition operator. In Python, plus is the addition operator. It is used to add two or more than two values. Then next we have is subtraction operator. In Python, minus is the subtraction operator. It is used to subtract the second value from the first value. The next operator that we have is the multiplication operator. So star in Python is the multiplication operator, and it is used to find the product of two or more than two values. Then next we have is division operator. So this slash is the division operator. It is used to find the quotient when the first operand is divided by the second operand. Next we have is modulus operator. The percentage sign in Python is a modulus operator. It is used to find the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second operand. The second last operator that we have out of these 7 arithmetic operator is exponential operator. So 2 times star or twice star is the exponential operator. It is used to raise the first operand to the power of the second operand. So whenever we need to get the power of a certain value, then we would be using this exponential operator. The last operator that we have within our arithmetic operators is the floor division. So double slash over here is used to conduct the floor division. It is used to find the floor of the quotient when the first operator is divided by the second operator. So let's go and create an example with two variables for each and every of these 7 arithmetic operator in our next cell, and we are going to print the result also. So let's declare the two variable first. So I'm going to put variable 1 is equal to 154, variable 2 is equal to 121. Okay, so now we have two variable over here. Let's print this variable 1 and variable 2. Okay, so we have 154 and 121. Let's talk about the first operator, which is addition operator. Okay, now let's create a new variable in which we are going to store the value of this addition. So I'm going to give a new variable which is add result, and in this add result I'm simply going to put variable 1 plus variable 2, and let's give the comment saying that addition of two numbers. Okay, now sorry, I ran it. So we have error over here, variable 1 and variable 2 and result, s was missing. Okay, now let's print it. Print add underscore result. The moment I ran this cell, you will see that we are getting the addition of these two numbers, which is 154 and 121, as 275. So this is a simple example of addition operator. Let's move to the next operator, which is the subtraction operator. So for subtraction operator, we are going to save the result in subtract result. Subtract underscore result is equal to variable 1 minus variable 2, and let's give the comment as subtraction of two numbers, and then let's print it as subtract result. Okay, now again we have a error. Okay, my mistake, I need to put var1 over here. Let's run it again. So we have 33. So if we minus 154 with 121, we are going to get 33. Let's move to the next operator, which is multiplication operator. So for multiplication operator, we are going to put multiply result is equal to var1 single star, which is the multiplication operator in Python, into var2, and let's give the commentary saying that multiplication of two numbers, and let's print the result as multiply result. Let's again run it. Now we have 18,634 as a result of multiplication of these two variable, which is 154 and 121. Let's move to the next operand, which is the division operator. So for division operator, I'm just going to put divis and division underscore result equal to variable 1 divide by variable 2, and for division we are using this slash. Okay, so let me put the comment as division of two numbers, and let's print the result, division result. So now we are getting 1.272727 when we divide 154 by 121. Similarly, let's test out the modulus result, or let's test the modulus operator. So I'm going to give the output variable as modulus result, and in this I'm going to put var1, then percentage sign, as percentage sign gives us the modulus of two variable or modulus of two numbers, and var2, let's put the comment saying that modulus of two numbers, and then we are going to print it. So modulus result, let's run it. So we are getting the modulus as 33. So modulus is nothing, just it's a remainder when the first variable is divided by the second variable. So if we divide 154 by 121, we would be getting 33 as the remainder. Let's test the next part, which is power, and power is obtained using the exponential operator. So we are going to say power result is equal to variable 1 2 times star, which is the exponential operator, and then we are going to give variable 2. So this would be the power of two numbers, or power of numbers. Then let's print the result as power result over here. Let's run it. Now we are getting this number. So if we take power of 154 to 121, we would be getting this number. So now we have the last operator, which is floor division. So let's test out the floor division also. Floor result is equal to variable 1 2 times slash variable 2, and this is the floor division, floor division of two numbers. Let's print the result. So we are getting 1. So this floor division conducts the division, but it gives the quotient when the first variable is divided by the second variable. So this is how basically you can use all the 7 arithmetic operator within a particular program, and these operators in Python is very useful for manipulating the values within your code, and this is the foundation upon which the logic of a program is written or constructed. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.